Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, an amazing place for your daily life tech solutions. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can share your project in CapCut. So let's say you are working on a video, maybe you add a background, some arrow or highlighting effects and resize it and maybe add some animations. Alright, so now you want to share this particular project with your friend, and that's a problem. Now what we need to do is you first simply need to select or click anywhere on this blank section. The best way is simply click above your most top layer and click on this empty space, and now you can see we have this details panel on the top right side of our screen. Here you can see the name, saved location, ratio, resolution, and so on and so forth, other information as well. The most important one is the saved location. So note down this saved location, and now we need to click on this modify button, which is at the bottom of our details window. So you can see we have this modify, and here we need to change this keep in original place. So what is this basically? This is basically the material or the data that you use to edit the video. We are going to be copying these entire data from different places to a single project, and when we click on copy to project, a single folder will be created with all of our elements that will be really easy to share. So select this option, note down the location where it is saving, and click on save. Once you do that, you can simply go to that location and share that folder to your friend, and that's a simple process. I really hope you understood the concept and liked the video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.